how to create a demo account on Exness. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is open your Exness account and then log in. If you haven't created one, you create one. I want to assume that aspect has been covered, the verification in terms of KYC and all of that. So you now want to create your demo account so you can log into MT5. Okay. So now you want to click this plus sign at the top right. So you click on this plus sign like this, and then you'll be asked, do you want to create a real account or a demo account? In this case, you want to create a demo account. So you click on demo right here, and then it loads. So now you're going to be asked, is it standard? Is it pro? Is it raw spread zero? All right. So now let's quickly give a quick explanation. Now in trading, we have what we call spreads. Okay. So now in the standard account, because you want to understand why you are clicking the one you want to click. You don't just click. I could tell you click standard, okay, but you need to understand why. So now on standard, your minimum deposit is $10. Your spread starts from 0.2. And in terms of commission, there is no commission. What does this mean? It simply means whenever you execute a trade, you won't pay fees or charges for those trades. So instead, you get spread. So that's how the broker benefits from your trade. They benefit in terms of spread. So the fact that you don't have to pay for whatever trade it is that you execute, you will pay in terms of spread. Okay. While you can see also in Pro, the minimum deposit is $500. The spread is much more lower than standard. At the same time, there are no commissions. And then you can see this one, the spread is from zero. Okay, commissions also from zero, which means they will charge commissions, but sometimes you can get commissions for as low as zero. And then the last one here is zero, which means minimum deposit 500. Spreads, there is no spread at all, or you get charged from spread, but it starts from zero. Okay, which means you could also have a very very super tight spread with no spreads at all, but instead you are going to pay commissions, which is from $0.05 above, depending on whatever amount you use to open your trade. So now in this very case, you want to have a standard account because literally it's demo and you want to practice for live before you go live. So now click on standard and continue. Once you click that, it's going to ask you for the currency. If you are trading in dollar, you are trading in euro, whichever one, choose. For here, I'm going to assume that you want to trade in dollar. All right, now leverage. Okay, now Exness has various leverages 1 to 2, 20, 50, 100, 200, 400, 500, 600, 800, 1000, 2000, and unlimited. What does this mean? Leverage simply means, I've explained this in some of my previous videos, is how it helps amplify your potential wins or your losses. Right, so the highest you can use as a new user on Exness is 1:2000. That's what is already there. If you try clicking on the unlimited, it's not going to work except you've been using Exness for a very very long time. You've made a lot of deposit on Exness and then you are eligible. For example, now let's try. You click on unlimited, you see what it says. You have chosen leverage with a high risk. Continue. Okay, you click OK. Okay, now on demo, you can select the 1:1 unlimited. However, on real accounts, if you haven't deposited, I think it's about over $2,000 or something like that, you wouldn't be allowed to use unlimited leverage. Okay, so I'm not just giving you tutorial on how to do it. I'm making you understand what it is you are choosing. At the same time, you are learning how to do it. So basically, as a new user, just use 1:2000. All right, just use 1:2000, and then it's going to ask for the account name. In the account name here, put whatever name it is you want to put. Um, whatever name it is you want to put. Let's say test. You can use test account as the name. Then continue. Now it's going to ask for the trading password. We're going to use something very very simple here. Let's say zero. Okay, I won't call the password out loud. All right, so all password has been typed in, and then you click on open. So it loads, and then it's as simple as that. You have your account created. So now you can see it here. This is a test account. This is a demo. So now the deed is done on Exness. So now you want to log into MT5 after creating your demo account in order for you to execute trades. So you have to click this details here. This detail, once you click on details here, it gives you fund. You can see your fund is 000. Okay, and then you click on settings. Under settings is where you are given your login details. You can see it down here under trading platform. You see trading platform MetaTrader 5. Okay, login, you have the login, and then you have the server. So these are the two things you want to copy. Your trading password is the password you used when you were creating the demo account, right? So you copy the login here, and then you copy the server, and then you go to MT5 to login. All right, so let's go. So when you open your MT5, it's going to be empty. Let's assume, okay, you have no account. This is the first time. So you click on this plus here. You click on the plus. Once you click on the plus, it's going to ask you find your broker. This is where you are going to copy that your broker server log that has Exness trial something something. You're going to paste it here. All right, you paste it here like this, and then it's going to search for your broker. Now you're already seeing it's showing Exness Limited Technology after pasting it. All right, then you select it like this. Once you select it, it's going to ask for the login, the password. As you can see, the server is already fixated there. Okay, you can choose to save the password, you can choose not to save the password. So you're going to input the login. The login is that number we copied. The password is the trading password you used when you were opening that demo account. So let me put that in. You can see my server here is showing real 9. That's because I have a real account logged in on Exness. And if you remember, in the Exness demo account, it's not real 9, it's trial 9. So ensure that you are selecting the server correctly. So I'm going to change this to trial 9. Then I input my login details and the password. Alright, so I've typed in my login, my password, selected the right server. You can choose to save password, you can choose not to. I think it's better if you save the password so you don't have to always type in the password whenever you want to log in again. And then you click and it's connecting. Alright, so there we have it. You have successfully created a demo account on Exness and also logged in to the demo account. So as you can see here, you have your balance to be 0, which you can choose to add. You want to do that from your Exness dashboard, and then you can see here it says test account. So this test account we created is as simple as that. So now let's add a certain amount of balance into the demo account so you can trade with it. So back to the demo account on your Exness, you click on deposit right here, and then it's going to ask you the amount you want to deposit. Now what I usually suggest right here is to input the same amount you intend to fund. So let's say you are trying to demo trade to practice because you want to start trading with $500. Input $500. If you want to learn how to trade and practice with maybe $100, input $100. Okay, demo trade like you are going to trade on a live account. I know it's not the same, the emotions is not really there, but in terms of the figures, so you get used to the figures. You don't want to trade a demo account of $100,000 only for you to fund $50 or $100. So now it messes up your head in terms of numbers. So if you're going to say, let's say you're going to trade with $200, so fund your demo account with $200 like this. Click on continue, and you're going to have $200 automatically deposited into your Exness account on MT5. So now let's check after we've done that. We have $200 here, and boom, on your MT5 it shows $200. So now you can trade. You can choose whichever pair you want, and then you start trading. If you don't know how to trade on MT5, click this video that pops up next on your screen to learn how to trade using MT5. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.